Every day I go out and I pay attention to the first birds I see. Well, who's following me? So, yeah, there's a little one. Oh, where's the guys that are talking to me? Here we go. I hear you. Come out. Yeah, leave the little bird alone. There he is. Hawk. Real close too. And then you got the crow up here. I know they're popular in this area, but it's always crows and hawks fighting with each other. Let's look at the sun while we're here. It's funny how the sun is white and it's just this perfect disc. It's almost too perfect. Another crow over here we go. What do we got there? A loon? Oh, that's a treat.